The tutorial for the Tillamook County COVID-19 vaccine scheduling tool. To begin, you'll need to access the scheduling tool from a Tillamook County vaccine provider's webpage. Once on the scheduling tool, you'll go ahead and fill out the required fields to begin searching for an appointment. For what is the desired specialty type, choose COVID-19 testing and vaccination. For COVID-19 visit type, choose on-site vaccination dose 1, and for what is your location, type your home zip code. You'll then go ahead and click the search button, which is the blue button across the middle of the screen. This will pull up locations, dates, and times for available appointments. Go ahead and select the appointment time that you will like. This will then bring you to a registration screen where you'll be required to enter your patient demographic information. There's also an insurance drop-down button where you can go ahead and search for your insurance type, or you can type in the questionnaire as well. If you have no insurance, select the no insurance option. You'll then fill out the rest of the required questions and click book an appointment at the end when it's complete. This will then take you to a confirmation page. This confirmation page will also be emailed to you if you provided an email address. If you have questions or limited or no internet access, you can call for scheduling assistance. You can call the Tillamook County Community Health Center Vaccine Information Line at 503-842-3914. You may also call the Reinhardt Clinic Vaccine Information Line at 1-800-368-5182, extension 100.